Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Bester here. Welcome to Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series, issue 29. Look at her. Look how beautiful she looks, eh? Now, if you want to grab this, head over to this link here. It's in the description below, folks. Hop over to the Fanhome website, take out a subscription for this stunning 1/8 scale model. You won't be disappointed. Just look at the lines on her. Beautiful. Quick flick through the magazine. You've got the TV show section there. The bookworm turns. Adam West there, looking rather thoughtful. Great Batman comics. This is the Arkham Asylum. Got very dark with some of the comics in recent years, I noticed. Next up, you've got Batman Year by Year, 1965, a couple of years before I was born. Look how dark this Joker artwork's getting, folks. They're really quite sinister. This is the Detective Comics, where Batman and Robin appeared. This is the car parts we've got today. You've got 2 shock absorber mounts to the rear frame before fitting these parts to the assembly. There you go. So we're going to fit them to this frame, and then we're going to whop that in place like so. Okay. Nice concise instructions showing you what you're doing today, where it's going to go on your Batmobile, and what we're going to end up with at the end of this issue, folks. Okay, so that's what we're aiming for. We're putting this bar in here. Okay, so we'll just flip the instructions and put them at the back, and we can bring our parts in. There's the shock absorber lower mounts in die cast, as you can see, and also the rear cross member or central cross member that they're going to attach to there and there. Okay, so we're going to need our chassis section in a moment, but we'll pop these in first. A pair of EM screws. We'll open that bag and get them out, and we'll fit them in now because it's easier to do them at this stage than it is to try to fit them whilst it's on the chassis, folks. Okay, so grab a screw. My usual oiler there, folks. Little drop of oil on the thread, and then we can start putting these on. Okay, nice and easy episode. There you go. We can start screwing that in place. There you go. Now that I've got it to bite, I can spin her around and put the screw in. So let's just do it that way. I'll do it across my knuckle, like so. And then I want to back it off just so that that's a little bit of a more movable fit. Okay, just my personal preference, like that. Okay, now we'll do the same with that one. We'll grab our screw just like so. A little bit of oiler can go on, and then we'll use the ear section there like so, and we can start fitting that in place. That's it. Get the thread to bite, and then I can grip it then, like so. Again, nice little movement there is what I want. Perfect. We can now bring our chassis section in and fit that. Okay, there you go. She really is taking up some serious space now. So we want a pair of CM screws for this, folks. Okay, put the bag out of the way, and this is going to go across here. Okay, you've got 2 little notches with a tongue in each side, and that is just going to go and sit in there like that. Okay, we can now grab the CM screw that we need, pop a drop of oil on her, just there, and we can start fitting that straight in there like that. There you go. Pop the next one in, pop a little bit of oil on the end of her, and then we'll quickly spin the chassis round so that we can fit this screw in place. There you go, we got there in the end, Cole. Like that. Let's just pop that in place so that we can see. That's better. And pop that in place. Just like so. There you go. Perfect. So that is that issue done, folks. Look at that. So we've got our shock absorber mounts in now. Really is coming along now, isn't she? Look at that. So that's what we're up to today, folks. So don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself, head over to this link here in the description below there. Head over to the Fanhome website and take yourself out a subscription for this beautiful 1/8 scale Batmobile. In the meantime, to help me out, you could just click little fester in the corner there and subscribe to my channel. That will really make my day. Whilst you're there, just give the bell a ring and that will notify you of future uploads of partwork videos, scale modelling videos, etc. Okay? In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.